Hello there! Whether you're learning this for the first time or reviewing it again later, welcome to this video where we will talk about speed. If you think about a running race, then the winner is the person who finishes first, and that means they go fastest. But what does that really mean, to go fast? We all have an everyday idea of what it means to go fast, but there's actually a lot more to it than that. Speed is a way to measure how fast things are going. Let's look at an example. This is Dick. Dick loves running. Let's see Dick run 30 meters. Okay, so that's not really 30 meters, but that is 5 seconds. So now we know two numbers about Dick's run. He ran 30 meters in 5 seconds. But how does this help us? Strap in, it's time for physics, which is putting numbers into relationships using maths. Okay, that's not all physics is, but that's part of it. First, we ask, if Dick ran 30 meters in 5 seconds, how far did he run in just one of those seconds? To answer that, we divide the distance by the time. If we divide the 30 meters over the 5 seconds, we will get the number of meters he ran in each second. And we can see that 30 divided by 5 is 6. So Dick ran 6 meters in each of his seconds, at least if he ran the same speed the whole time. So we can say that Dick's speed is 6 meters per second, and that's the SI unit of speed, the meter per second, which we can write as m/s. So to find the speed, we divide the distance travelled over the time taken. Another thing we do a lot in physics, like a lot, is use equations. Remember, an equation is like a scale for balancing numbers. Speed equals distance over time. That's our equation here. And it's the simplest kind of physics equation there is. Use two numbers to give us a third number. We can also show this equation using letters to stand for the qualities to make it quicker to write down. In this case, we use V equals D over T. We use V for speed because it stands for velocity. Velocity is a lot like speed, but it also includes direction. That makes it a little bit more complicated, so we won't talk about that right now. This relationship is one of the easiest to understand because we see things move all the time in our everyday life, so we can really get a feel for what speed means and how we see it change. This is not always true in physics. Three-number equations like this can also be easier to remember in triangle form. Take a triangle and the three letters go in like this. You can see here that distance is at the top of the triangle. That is important because the triangle also helps us to remember the relationship. We can see that speed v equals distance over time. But in the same triangle, we can also see that the distance d equals speed multiplied by time. And also that time t equals distance over speed. It is really important that the same letter always goes on top. So when you learn this triangle, D goes on the top, and that means that distance is always divided by one of the other letters. Hi there, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, etc. If you prefer longer videos, you can find the full versions of these lessons on our other channel, which is just up there. But no matter what, please keep learning something, because no matter who you are or how old you are, every day is a school day. Bye for now.